I'll do that for you. We're gonna replace the fuel injector that messed up last time. The oil leak that we have now that we didn't have before, where this is all wet. It was leaking right here in this corner. See the pool on the starter. Do you remember which one it was, Kelly?
3.
Really? You think it was 3? I thought it was 2.
I think it was 3.
I might have to review back to my video. I was pretty sure it was this one right here.
Time to look back.
Gotta look at the video. When I put these back on, I'll use the actual socket, but it's easier with the wrench to just take them off. But to torque them, you need the socket. Putting a lot of faith in my parts company right now because I never even opened the box that came. Oh, you opened it.
I just did, yeah.
N70 at 71A calibration, which is great, which all my other ones are at 71s as well. Something really important is to make sure you remove this little rubber shipping cap because it doesn't fit down in the hole if you forget that. Ask me how I know. Why doesn't this fit?
How do you know, Scott?
Why doesn't this fit? Something's wrong. Where are your glasses? When you work. Now's a really good time for me to inspect these keepers. Because remember we had problems where they were sitting low on a couple of them, but yeah, those all look good. Everything's great. There we go. Just gotta make sure that that little fuel selector gets hooked up on there. Oh, that is for it. But if it starts smoking or not running real smooth, that's a good time to go in and do it. Okay. I've done mine, 20,000 miles, and it has had slight changes, but they weren't really changes that necessarily affected performance.
Gotcha.
But I will check this one because it's a new injector going in a new hole. But since it's only got like maybe 3,000 miles on the engine, no, it's got more than that. Oh my God, it's got more than that. All I had as a spare to throw in there was that thing. Okay. That's not even right. That's a, what is that, a C65?
C65.
Yeah.
But you've got N70s, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you're 25, you said. Okay, 25 foot-pounds. So it's barely in there.
Cheat sheet on my phone. Not too hard, huh?
Yeah.
Finger tight ought to do it.
They aren't my axles.
And what do you have that set at?
These are 90 to 100, I believe.
Those are left-hand thread?
No.
Oh, okay. You're right. Like
Yeah, because it's like offset.
Uh-huh. Okay.
There is a slightly longer, yeah. If you over tighten these, you'll snap them and then they leak like crazy. Yeah, I just get them on my fingers as much as I can because that socket you can only turn it like a half a turn.
What are you torquing to?
15 foot-pounds. They're 12 to 14, I believe, is the setting. But because these are used ones, I'm going to go just a hair tight.
You're gonna go 15?
Yeah. I don't have a socket for that. Let me go find. What am I doing? Pretty tight. Yeah, that's already there.
You want to back them off?
No. It's way beyond though, yeah. I'm glad I stopped on the other one. Okay. Come on that side.
Yeah.
I'm taking this off and replacing it finally because a few months ago when I was up in Minnesota, Stan, Busboy's collection, was nice enough to give me one of these since mine was, this is just a fake boot that's wrapped around here. The one on the inside has torn and I had to put a metal sleeve in it and then had to seal it up with tape, so it looks very hokey.
But it works.
It worked. I found it. It's just got a whole bunch of bolts. It's a pain in the ass. I think we'll get me a parts tray. So that looks a lot better. It only took us like 2 minutes
Per bolt.
plus 60. It took a while, but it's on there. A lot longer than changing the injector. So long that Michelle got a shade for us and she's holding the shade.